Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty and easy baobab fruit ice lollies. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So on today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 1/4 cup of baobab powder, 1 cup of sugar. You can add or you can reduce the sugar, that's up to you. You'll also need some normal water, a half a teaspoon of red food coloring. You'll also need ice packages, a half a teaspoon of egg yellow food coloring. Then I have 2 different types of essence. I'm going to use lemon essence and strawberry essence. In a medium small pot, you're going to add 1 1/4 cup of baobab powder. Then you're going to add some water, approximately 3 cups. Then stir everything well and let it cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes thick. And after approximately 5 to 7 minutes, the consistency should be thick like this, and your baobab mixture is ready, and remove it from the heat. Using a large sieve, you're going to sieve the baobab mixture into a medium large bowl, as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, let the mixture to cool down completely. Then afterwards, you're going to add 1 cup of sugar. You can add the sugar or reduce the sugar, that's up to you. At this point, you can add more water according to the consistency and the sweetness you will want your ice lollies to be. In total, personally, I added 6 cups of water. Afterwards, you're going to divide the baobab juice mixture into 2 so that we can have 2 flavors. One of the baobab mixture, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red food coloring and 1 teaspoon of strawberry essence, and I'm going to stir everything well and nice. The second mixture, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of egg yellow food coloring and 1 teaspoon of lemon essence and stir well. Once you're done, it's high time to fill our ice lollies. Using this kind of a sieve, fill the baobab juice into the ice packages, as you can see in the video, until you're done with all the baobab juice. And I'm done filling my ice lollies, as you can see in the video. You're going to place them in the freezer for approximately 6 hours or more. And after approximately 6 hours or more, our baobab ice lollies are ready, as you can see in the video. They're so tasty, and enjoy these amazing ice lollies. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of ice lollies, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.